together, isn't it? Your chicken and mushroom. Okay, hit the pan. It's hit already. It's up to you guys what you cooking oil you use. I use this one because I really like coconut taste or sesame. I really like the smell of this. So I put this now here in a pan. It's up to you how much you put it on. For me, it's enough only. Just enough to hit the pan. Sprinkle like that. So all the bottom of the pan is covered, you know, and then once it's hit, yeah, it's hot already. First, garlic, as usual, garlic first. Every time we cook, I know we always use garlic because it adds on the flavor. Every time we cook, you can't use anything except garlic, and of course mix these onions. Make it a bit brown more. I use my hands, guys, because my hands is clean and I wash it anyway. So it's better. I didn't I take off the skin of the chicken because I like no skin of the chicken when I cook. It's less fat. So of course we really want it to be healthy, don't we? And we have a bit of skin, so I take off the skin, guys. As you can see, our chicken is cooked already. So himay-himayin lang natin siya. Ganyan. Himay-himayin lang. It's up to you guys if you wanted to put this bones. It's up to you. But I think sometimes I just leave it. I only need the meat, you know. Pero kung gusto ninyo na mas maraming sahog, it's up to you guys. Kasi pwede naman yun pang negosyo ninyo. Pwede rin to pang negosyo talaga. Kung gusto nyo mag fast food din, it's ideal talaga. Pero itong sa akin, it's just for our lunch today or for our tea. This is for our tea. Manihapon ta mga besh. Mga palangga, panihapon na mo ni. Simple, very simple food. Ganyan lang siya, himay-himayin hanggang sa matapos natin himay-himayin ang isa-isang chicken. 4 pieces of chicken is enough for me. At saka kasi meron pang mga seafoods na i-add on ko sa mga flavor. So, itong aking wagamama style, ito mixed chicken and noodles and seafoods. Ito guys, herbs, mixed herbs kasi ito I think sage, coriander and rosemary. So I sprinkle the herbs in there to add on the flavor. And then, saka ko na siya ilagay. Itong ginger. Ito. This one guys, fish sauce. Konti lang siya guys ha. It's up to you kasi ito masyadong maalat. Very salty na ito. So we don't want our food very salty. It's up to you guys how much you put it on. But that's it for me. But if need a bit more, then it's up to you. And then soy sauce. As usual, ang ginamit kong soy sauce is light. Very light soy sauce. So meaning to say is reduced salt. Okay? This is coriander leaves. I just leave it in the middle like that so the flavor stay there. Here you go. This is my chicken egg noodle seafood wagamama style. It's very simple, guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Team Simplicity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.